Friends, before I say anything else, I would like you to go through this video from the beginning to the end. It will be beneficial to you. Now, first of all, on behalf of Kesaria Parivar and Kesaria Textile Company, Surat, Gujarat, I sincerely, one and all, in particular, my noble and humble customers from Southern India, Northern India and Eastern India. Yes, friends, it was a hectic 3 months time, but still you all visited Kesaria, you came to Surat, you enjoyed the hospitality extended towards you and enjoyed the purchases. And the best part of the entire issue is you were one of the best retail sellers in your area. Friends, the way you conveyed your thanks, the way you phoned us, the way you gave us the comments, we sincerely appreciate your gratitude, your support and blessings you have given on Kesaria Parivar. We anticipate to have the similar support, similar blessings throughout the year, not only this, but coming years. In return, we assure you that we will keep no stone unturned to give you the best quality cloth, the best prices as we have always given you, and thirdly and most important, we will try our level best to give you the best after sales services. Yes, friends. Now, coming to the topic of the day, friends, we are very lucky. With the beginning of new season, November and December is going to have maximum marriage muhurats. Yes, maximum marriages will take place during this couple of months. So, let us take full advantage of it, jointly together and achieve the goals we have always dreamed of by being aggressive, full of confidence, positive attitude and always being down to earth, humble and grounded throughout the years. Friends, once again, on behalf of Kesaria Parivar and Kesaria Textile Company and our founder and the director Shri Ritesh Bhai Modi, I humbly thank you, appreciate your support and blessings with an anticipation that you will continue giving us the same moral support throughout the year and years to come. Till then, I take you leave. Thank you. Goodbye. Wish you all the best for New Year. Bye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम।